Let's see. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Oh my god, what is this? It says, hello, be bold, be you, be beautiful, unlock your glamour. It's a wig! Yo, this is dope! Because I've been wanting to do more streams where I experiment on like different hairstyles, different colors, maybe more cosplay. So I think next year in one of my streams, I will definitely be using this wig. It comes with a hairnet too. I like the color too. If I like it enough, I might dye my hair this color. But for real, thank you so much. Whoever sent this, thank you so much. Yeah, it doesn't say from who, but it's like this. And then it has bangs and it's curly. Try it. Not now. Let's save it for stream. Okay? I promise I'll be wearing this. What do you mean it's for Nick? Guys, this is such a high quality wig. I swear if it's for Nick. It's for Nicole. Guys. There's no mark. I'm claiming it. If it's for him, I'm stealing it. I don't care. It's mine. I'll be using it on stream. One of these days when I have enough time. And my intro is less than 25 minutes. But yay, thank you. Thank you. I'm saying your name in my head because I can't say it out loud. Unless it says it here. Oh, no, this is the return information. Unless it's below. No. All right. Yeah, thank you. Okay. I'll put you over here. It's for another stream.